Did you know that millions of people use ride-sharing apps every single day? It's true. Uber and Lyft have completely changed the way we get around. Gone are the days of hailing a cab on a busy street corner. Now, with a few taps on our phones, we can have a ride waiting for us in minutes. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Sure, you can make some extra cash, but have you ever tried to get the smell of fast food out of your car? And don't even get me started on the passengers who think your car is their personal karaoke stage. But hey, if you enjoy a good laugh and a challenge, this might just be for you. Oh, and before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun and honest takes on the world of side hustles. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Being a rideshare driver is like having a front row seat to the daily lives of people in your city. It's a unique experience that offers a blend of excitement, unpredictability, and human connection. You meet people from all walks of life, hear their stories, and sometimes even become a part of their journey, if only for a short while. Each ride is a new adventure, offering a glimpse into the diverse tapestry of human experiences. You get to see the city through the eyes of your passengers, each with their own unique perspective. One ride, you might be taking a businessman to an important meeting where every minute counts and the stakes are high. And the next, you could be helping a group of friends get to a concert where the atmosphere is filled with excitement and anticipation. It's a job with a lot of variety, that's for sure. No 2 days are the same, and that's part of what makes it so interesting. But like any job, it comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. The flexibility to set your own hours is a major perk, allowing you to work around your own schedule and commitments. Let's take a look at what makes being a rideshare driver appealing. The ability to meet new people, the opportunity to explore your city, and the potential to earn a decent income are all significant benefits. However, there are also challenges that come with the territory. Dealing with traffic, navigating through busy streets, and managing late-night rides can be stressful. Additionally, the wear and tear on your vehicle and the fluctuating demand for rides can impact your earnings. Despite these challenges, many drivers find the experience rewarding. The freedom to take breaks when needed, the chance to be your own boss, and the satisfaction of helping people get to their destinations safely are all aspects that make this job fulfilling. At the end of the day, being a rideshare driver is about more than just driving. It's about connecting with people, providing a valuable service, and making a positive impact on the lives of others, one ride at a time. So, if you're considering becoming an Uber or Lyft driver, remember that it's a role filled with both challenges and rewards. It's a journey that offers a unique blend of human interaction, flexibility, and the opportunity to see your city in a whole new light. One of the biggest draws of driving for Uber or Lyft is the flexibility it offers. You're your own boss. You decide when you want to work, whether it's early mornings, late nights, weekends, or weekdays. This kind of flexibility is perfect for students, parents, or anyone looking to earn extra income on their own terms. And speaking of income, the earning potential can be pretty good too. You get paid for every ride, and you can even earn more during peak hours or special events. Plus, tips are always a nice bonus. Of course, it's not always a smooth ride. The life of a rideshare driver is filled with unexpected challenges and obstacles. One of the biggest downsides of being a rideshare driver is the wear and tear on your car. Every day your vehicle endures the rigors of the road, from potholes to sudden stops. All those miles add up quickly, which means more frequent maintenance and potentially higher repair costs. Regular oil changes, tire rotations, and brake checks become a routine part of your life. It's important to factor these expenses into your earnings. Keeping a detailed log of your maintenance costs can help you manage your budget more effectively. And then there are the passengers. Each ride brings a new set of faces and personalities into your car. Most riders are pleasant and respectful, making your job enjoyable and even fun at times. You get to meet interesting people and hear their stories, but you're bound to encounter a few difficult ones along the way. Some passengers may be in a hurry, stressed, or simply having a bad day. From messy eaters who leave crumbs and spills behind to backseat drivers who insist on telling you how to do your job. Dealing with challenging passengers is just part of the job. Handling these situations with patience and professionalism is key. Sometimes a calm and understanding approach can diffuse a tense situation. Other times you may need to set clear boundaries to ensure your safety and comfort. Keeping your car clean and well maintained not only ensures a pleasant experience for your passengers, but also helps you feel more in control and prepared for whatever comes your way throughout the day. Despite the challenges, many drivers find the flexibility and independence of rideshare driving to be rewarding. It's a job that requires resilience, adaptability, and a positive attitude. So, the next time you hop into a rideshare, remember the effort and dedication that goes into making your journey smooth and enjoyable. Every ride is a new adventure, with its own set of bumps and turns along the way. Did you know? Here are some fun facts about the world of ride sharing. The most popular day for ride sharing is Saturday night. Makes sense, right? The average Uber ride is about 5.4 miles long. The longest Uber ride ever recorded was over 400 miles. Can you imagine? It's amazing to think about all the stories and experiences that have been shared within the confines of a rideshare vehicle. It's a unique service that connects people and places in ways we never thought possible before. At its core, ride sharing is about more than just getting from point A to point B. It's about connecting people, building community, and fostering relationships that might not have otherwise existed. It's about creating a network of shared experiences and mutual benefits. For drivers, it's an opportunity to earn income on their own terms, meet new people, and explore their city in a unique way. They get to hear stories, share laughs, and sometimes even make lasting friendships. They become part of a larger community, contributing to the local economy and providing a service that many rely on. And for riders, it's a convenient, affordable, and often safer alternative to traditional taxis or public transportation. Riders can enjoy the comfort of a personal vehicle without the responsibilities of ownership. They can travel with ease, knowing that a ride is just a tap away. Ride sharing has become an integral part of our modern lives, seamlessly blending into the fabric of our daily routines. It offers flexibility and freedom, allowing people to move around cities with unprecedented ease. The impact of ride sharing extends beyond just transportation. It influences urban planning, reduces the need for parking spaces, and can even help decrease traffic congestion. As technology continues to evolve, the role of ride sharing in our lives will only grow. Its impact will continue to be felt for years to come, transforming the way we think about travel and community. So, we've explored the open road of ride sharing with its exciting opportunities and occasional bumps along the way. But what if you're looking for ways to earn income that don't involve driving around town? In our next video, we'll dive into the world of passive income. So, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Then, get ready to discover exciting ways to make your money work for you even while you sleep.